The significance of wood furniture in our lives is undeniable. Wood furniture has a timeless appeal, sustainability, and versatility. It has been a staple in interior design for centuries, and its enduring popularity is a testament of its unique qualities. In a world filled with synthetic materials and mass-produced furniture, wood stands out as a timeless choice. In this video, while you look at our today's collection, we will talk about the reasons why wood furniture continues to be a preferred option for homeowners and interior designers alike. From its natural beauty and warmth to its sustainability and versatility, wood furniture offers numerous benefits that make it an essential element in our living spaces. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking project ideas you can try making at home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. There are several woodworking projects you can try making even if you have limited skills, basic tools, and short budget. One of the primary reasons why wood furniture remains highly sought after is its inherent natural beauty and warmth. The warmth and organic appeal of wood create a welcoming and cozy atmosphere in any room. Each piece of wood exhibits unique patterns, textures, and colors, resulting in furniture that is visually captivating and full of character. No two pieces of wood are alike, and hence there is always something unique about each wood furniture piece. Unlike other materials which lose their value over time, wood furniture ages gracefully, developing a rich patina that adds to its charm and authenticity. Antique wood furniture pieces are often more valued than similar pieces made recently. Furniture plays a vital role in our lives, providing comfort, functionality, and a means of personal expression in our living spaces. From the most basic sitting arrangements to elaborate storage solutions and decorative pieces, furniture serves as an essential component of our everyday lives. Wood furniture is known for its durability and longevity. High-quality solid wood furniture can last for generations when properly cared for. Wood possesses inherent strength and resilience, which make it capable of withstanding abuse from daily use. If damaged, wood furniture can be repaired, refinished, or restored, ensuring that it retains its beauty and functionality for years to come, which is often impossible to do when using synthetic materials. Investing in wood furniture is a wise choice for those seeking long-term value and sustainability in their furnishings. One of the primary reasons we need furniture is for comfort and well-being. Furniture provides us with a place to rest, relax, and rejuvenate. Comfortable seating options such as sofas, armchairs, and beds offer support and promote proper posture, preventing discomfort and physical strain. Furniture designed with ergonomic principles in mind ensures that our bodies are properly supported, reducing the risk of muscle issues, and by providing comfort and promoting well-being, furniture contributes to our overall physical and mental health. Wood can be shaped into different configurations and styles to give us the level of comfort we want to get from our furniture pieces. Raw materials for the furniture industry pass through different processes. When forming synthetic furniture making materials such as plastics, the environmental impact is high. In an era focused on sustainability and environmental consciousness, wood furniture stands out as a responsible choice. Wood is a renewable resource, and responsible forestry practices ensure the replenishment of trees. Many wood furniture manufacturers prioritize using wood from certified sustainable sources. This practice involves planting new trees to replace those that are harvested, thereby maintaining a healthy ecological balance. Furniture is essential for creating functional and practical living spaces. Each piece serves a specific purpose and fulfills a particular need. Dining tables provide a space for meals and gatherings, while desks offer a dedicated workspace. Storage units such as cabinets and shelves help us organize and declutter our belongings. Functional furniture allows us to perform daily activities efficiently and comfortably, enhancing our productivity and quality of life. Wood complements various design themes, seamlessly blending with different materials, colors, and textures. Its versatility allows homeowners and interior designers to create personalized and cohesive design aesthetics. Wood furniture offers unparalleled versatility in design. It can be crafted into a wide range of styles, from traditional to rustic, modern, and contemporary. Furniture plays a crucial role in optimizing space utilization and organization. With the increasing trend of smaller living spaces, furniture solutions that maximize functionality without compromising style have become imperative. Multifunctional furniture such as sofa beds or coffee tables with hidden storage compartments enable us to make the most limited space useful. Additionally, furniture pieces with built-in organizers or modular designs provide customizable options, allowing us to adapt our living spaces to our specific needs and preferences. As you can see in the video, there are different types of wood furniture pieces you can try making at home. Viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked woodworking project ideas you can try making. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.